Run it to the checker flag, run it through that red light. Woo! Hobby King just sent me 2 Turnigy high voltage LiPos. This is my first endorsement deal. So, you know how we do in this channel, man. I'm gonna just show you the raw uncut. So, we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you exactly what I see, and you can see what you see, and we'll all see it together. How about that? So, first impressions of the Turnigy. Okay. So, box, read manual before use. I think I can skip that step. All right, first thing we know about LiPos is that a storage charge should sit right at 3.8. You're gonna charge it to a 4.2. And when you hit low voltage cutoff on your ESC, you're probably looking at 3.4, 3.5, depending on how you set it. Now these Turnigys are high voltage, which means they're actually 4.4 volts per cell. And doing the quick math, that's 15.2 volts per pack. More volts, more power. I think these things will be fast. Cheap, fast. So our first test, we'll see what the shipping charge is. It should be 3.8 per cell. Now to get this number, you can use your LiPo charger or you can use your ESC programming box like we have here. And this is perfect, 3.86, 3.86, 3.82, 3.82. That is what you want to see. But first, we got to go to the charging station and charge these bad boys up. Now at 99% completion, it's a good time to check our cell count. If these things are off, this could take forever to balance. Four, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Balance perfect. And not always will all 4 get to the same voltage at the same time with the balance. So Turnigy, good job. I'm impressed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's put these in here. Let's get this thing on here. And let's get this thing on the road in this video. Let's go. Now I'm hustling, good people. Running out of daylight. Straight from work, straight home, pick up the car, straight to the lot. What do you know? Blow a tire. Come on, man. Day in the life of an RC car basher. Let's get some glue in these wheels. And better yet, let's swap these wheels out. All right, we're on location again. We changed out the wheels. We got the batteries charged up. We got the Rapid 9500s. We got the Ovonic 9000s. And for shits and giggles, we even got some Smart 5000s. We're gonna run each one of these on the GPS, and we're gonna see the results together live on this video. Let's go. First up, let's see. We gotta put in the Turnigys. Turnigy LiPo, high voltage, 9500 milliamp hour, 100C, 15.2 volts per pack. The milliamp rating is like, how big is the gas tank? And the C rating would be like, how fast can I get that gas to the motor? And for a LiPo at this price point, those are really high specs. But what do you guys think? Will the EC5 hold these batteries back? In this apples to apples comparison, they're all running on EC5s, but I do wish they had QS8s on them. Leave me a comment. Do you guys run QS8s? And if you get an EC5, would you cut it off and put a QS8 on there? Let me know. Now, what makes this a rock star battery? 45 bucks a piece. Come on, man. Hey, the hobby is expensive, guys. 45 bucks.
$82. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, we're gonna take these out. Ugh. Got 82 on the Rapids, so I think we'll go with the Ovonics next. Throw these bad boys in there. Much longer, but they're very comparable. As I always say, at least I'm not in it. So we're gonna wish this little girl good luck. So with that small time off changing out the batteries, gave us some time to cool down. All right, that thing is ready to go. We have our GPS. All right, let's take it to the street.
Ovonic 9,000 milliamp hour 130C. This thing is coming in at a whopping 14.8 volts. So let's see what we get on the speed on this guy. Now I chose this battery because it's a bargain battery. It's only about 50 bucks a piece, so you can get two for under 100. So not a bad deal, I'm telling you. And if you find yourself enjoying this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. From a 5-7.
That's a good pull. That's a good pull. Let's see what happens. It didn't feel like 82, I can tell you that. Oh, let's see. Stop. Wait. 72. Yeah, you can feel it. Lock it in. All right, last one up. We're gonna put the smarts in there for giggles, for shits and giggles. So the thing with these smart batteries, when you have the whole system, the whole setup, I mean, it's cool because you get your telemetry, you know exactly what your battery life is going through the ESC onto the remote when you have the whole Spektrum family. So that's good. You see, you can see all the smart features coming into my remote because I have the whole Spektrum set up.
Spektrum branded 5,000 milliamp 50C LiPo battery, 14.8 volts. And the reason we're running this guy, because this is about the same physical size as a Turnigy. Now this pack comes with a lot of cool features, but it is also the most expensive of the pack. 110 bucks per LiPo.
Woo! That was a full squeeze, baby. That was a full squeeze. Let's see what we got. Woo! All right. What do I think? Somewhere between 72 and 82. That's what I think. Let's see. Stop. 77. Man, I was right. Dang, I can see it. I can eyeball it now. That's what's up.
In third place, Ovonic, 72 miles an hour. In second place, the Spektrum 5000, 77. And the new bargain price LiPo is Turnigy Rapid, 82. Whoa.